Hi, my name is Nancy Nyawera and I head the IT department, software division at Optiven Group, and I'm passionate about everything technology. AI is everywhere. It's in your phone, in apps, in text editors, and on TikTok. It quietly runs things. As of 2026, women hold approximately 28% technology positions globally. It is clear we are underrepresented in building AI. If the AI tools being built don't have women involved in creating them, they may not really understand our needs and solve our problems. My request to all girls, utilize the free online resources and learn everything you can on AI. We live in an era where information is accessible. Use this opportunity to build and innovate. To every girl out there dreaming of shaping the digital future, your ideas matter and your time is now. To parents and governments, the future is being coded right now. Make sure the girls are writing it. Happy International Girls in ICT Day.